Hello everyone. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today let's start our video with the topic quiz IQ challenges. Only in this figure D both the arrows point outwards. So the answer is D. In all other figures, the square has been divided into four equal parts and one part is shaded. So the answer is A. In question number 3, the answer is D, and in question number 4, the answer is A. In question number 5, the answer is A. Which row of the matrix contain, each row of the matrix contain one circle with two bars, one with three bars and one circle with four bars. Come to our next page, that is page number 35. Question number 1. The answer is D, because the inner lines are put in a cross position and the dots is put in between them. In question number 2, the answer is D, because the horizontal figure is made vertical. In question number 3, the answer is A, because two adjacent sides of the figures are removed and the other two sides are brought to the center. In question number 4, the figure is literally converted and the answer is C. Question number 5, the answer is D, because all other figures have mirror images. In question number C, the answer is D, because the two dots should be on opposite sides of the line. Now come to page number 36 of your GK book, quiz number 1. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1 is, what is the name of the joint in the middle of the arm? Option A, knee. Option B, shoulder. Option C, elbow. And the answer is option C, elbow. Question number 2, which is the largest bone in the human body? Option A, femur thigh body bone. B, pelvis hip bone. C, clavicle collarbone, and the answer is femur thigh bone. Question number 3, muscles are made of millions of cells called A, fiber. B, femurs. C, humerus, and the answer is A, fibers. Question number 4, how many bones are there in the skull of an adult human being? A, 12 bones. B, 22 bones. C, 33 bones. And the answer is 22 bones. Question number 5, in which part of the body is the smallest bone located? A, ear. B, nose. C, leg. And the answer is ear. Question number C, which among the following diseases is caused by a virus? A, ulcer. B, high blood pressure. C, AIDS, and the answer is AIDS. Question number 7, where does an image form in the eye? A, retina. B, iris. C, pupil, and the answer is retina. Question number 8, in which among the following parts of the human body is blood manufactured? A. Uterus, B. Stomach, C. Bone marrow. And the answer is bone marrow. 9. Question number 9. Which among the following functions is not done with the tongue? A. Tasting food, B. Speaking, C. Tearing foods. And the answer is tearing food. Question number 10. Which among the following acids is found in a body? A. Hydrochloric acid, B. Sulfuric acid, C. Nitric acid. And the answer is hydrochloric acid. Question number 37. Yoga for kids. Look at these yoga postures, asanas. They are very important for us, but never practice any asana yourself. First discuss each asana with your yoga teacher or an expert. Number 1. Savasana. This asana reduces stress and tension. It gives relaxation to the body and mind. Anuloma Viloma Pranayama. The Anuloma means towards and Viloma means reverse. It is called Anuloma Viloma because alternate nostrils are used for each inhalation and exhalation. Hastasana. This asana relaxes the whole body. It relieves pain in neck, shoulders and arms. Padahastasana. This asana strengthens the organs located in the abdominal area and improves their functioning. Did you know the word yoga means yoke or union? Trikonasana. This asana helps to manage stress. It strengthens muscles in legs, trunk and the buttocks. So these are the asanas for the kids. But don't try these asana yourself. First discuss with your yoga teacher, then try this.